Searching for a scalping strategy that works on any time frame and market? We've got a powerful combo of 2 free indicators that will boost your trading game from 1 minute to 1 hour time frame. And across markets like Indian or Korean stocks, our strategy delivers results. Alright traders, let's get started by opening up TradingView. For this strategy, we'll be using Bitcoin 5-minute chart. Now it's time to add our first secret weapon, the Trend Trader Strategy Indicator. To find it, just head over to the indicator section in TradingView and search for Trend Trader Strategy. But hold your horses. Before we dive in, let's make a few tweaks to the indicator settings to really optimize our strategy. Follow my lead and we'll have this baby purring like well-tuned engine. Alright traders, let's break down how our first secret weapon, the Trend Trader Strategy, works its magic. This bad boy draws a line right on your chart, making it super easy to spot those money-making opportunities. When the price breaks through that line from bottom to top, we call it a bullish breakout, and the candles will change their color to green. That's your cue to jump on the buy signal train. Now, for sell signals, it's just the opposite. When the price breaks through the line from top to bottom, as we call it bearish breakout, the candles will turn red. That's your signal to consider sell order. Pretty cool, right? With the Trend Trader Strategy, reading charts is as simple as spotting green and red candles. Now you might notice that sometimes the Trend Trader Strategy gives you counter trend signals, kinda like these examples here. Don't worry. We've got your back. To tackle this, we'll need to figure out the trend direction, and I'm here to help you do that accurately. But before we dive in, let's take a quick break to share TradeGenius' promises with you awesome traders. We're committed to bringing you top-notch trading strategies using free indicators because we believe in helping you slay the markets without emptying your wallet. If you're digging our approach, show us some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to our channel for more fantastic trading tips. Alright, now that we've covered that, let's go back to find the trend direction and supercharging your trading game. Alright traders, let's add another fantastic tool to our arsenal, the CM Ultimate MAMTF indicator. Here's how you can find it and add it to your chart on TradingView. Head over to the indicator section, search for the CM Ultimate MAMTF in the search bar. Select the indicator and voila, you've got yourself a shiny new tool on your chart. Now that we've got the CM Ultimate MAMTF indicator on our chart, it's time to fine-tune it for peak performance. To find the trend direction accurately, we need to make a few adjustments to the settings. So follow my lead and let's optimize this bad boy together. Alright traders, let's break down how to use our CM Ultimate MAMTF indicator to spot those trending markets like a pro. This handy tool draws the color line and some color dots on your chart, making it super easy to identify trends. To identify an uptrend using the CM Ultimate indicator, check that the MA line is green. The dots should be also green and the price should be above both the MA line and dots. But if the price is above MA line and it turns red, wait for further market confirmation before entering a trade. And to identify a downtrend using CM Ultimate Indicator, ensure that the MA line is red and the dots are also red, and the price is below both the MA line and the dots. But if the price is below the MA line but it turns green, wait for further market confirmation before entering a trade. Now that we covered how to read the indicators, it's time to reveal the trading rules that will help you make significant profits with this strategy. To enter a sell trade, follow these steps. Wait for a bearish breakout of the white trend trader strategy line. After that, confirm the downtrend by using the MA line and dots are red and the price candle is below both of them. So if both conditions are met, open a sell trade. To manage risk, set a stop loss for the trade, either above the most recent market swing high or above the white line of the trend trader strategy. Additionally, ensure your take profit target is 1.5 times the risk of the trade. And to enter a buy trade, first things first, you need to wait for a bullish breakout of the white trend trader strategy line. That's your green light to get started. Next, you want to make sure the market is actually in an uptrend, right? For that, check if the MA line and dots are green and that the price candle is above both of them. That's your confirmation that the trend is strong. So if you've got both of these conditions in the bag, it's time to pull the trigger and open the buy trade. But remember, risk management is crucial. You'll want to set a stop loss for your trade either below the most recent market swing low or below the white line of the trend trader strategy. Play it smart and set take profit target that's 1.5 times the risk of your trade. But before you go, we want to offer you the opportunity to take your trading game to new heights without any extra cost. Simply select the recommended video appearing on your screen to discover how you can double your trading profits for free. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!